Let us look at industrial hygiene and health in this particular session. How it is defined, the industrial hygiene. Industrial hygiene is defined by the American Industrial Hygiene Association AIHA as that science and art devoted to anticipation, recognition, evaluation, and control of those environmental factors of stresses arising in or from the workplace, which may cause sickness, impaired health and well-being, or significant discomfort and inefficiency among workers or among the citizens of the community. Then, what is industrial hygiene? In short, as a bulleted point, you can see it is deals with anticipation, that is identification, deals with recognition, that is acceptance, deals with evaluation, that is measurement and assessment, and deals with the control of workplace hazards or environmental stresses. Environmental stresses include heat, cold, humidity, etc., which impair health of the workers or public. In continuation to that, let us look at in brief what each one explains. Under anticipation, that is identification, includes prior knowledge of possible hazards and their effects on the health. It includes all the methods of identification of the hazards. Recognition means acceptance of ill effects of the identified hazards and accepting that environmental stresses that endanger life and health, accelerate aging process or causes discomfort. This is moreover a qualitative assessment. It also, under the evaluation, measuring or calculating the degree of the hazard, that means quantitative, by instruments, air sampling and analysis, comparison with the standards, taking judgment whether measured or calculated hazard is more than or less than the permissible standard. Control includes engineering and administrative controls, safe disposal of wastes, medical examination, use of PPE, education, training and supervision. What is the scientific approach adopted in industrial hygiene? It includes identifying the extent of toxicity, that means harmful effects of chemical, physical and biological agents. Identifying the extent of employee exposure through inhalation, skin absorption or ingestion. It also gives a recommendation or recommending and implementing process controls that reduce exposure to harmful substances and following safe work practices, including use of personal protective equipment to guard against the exposures. Further, the health effects are unlikely to occur unless exposure occurs. The science of qualitative and quantitative exposure assessment is applied in determining the extent of exposure. These data then are used in determining the need for implementing prevention and control measures. The source of this particular material content is from Fundamentals of Industrial Safety and Health, Dr. K.U. Mistry, Prakasan Publications. Thank you.